back to my channel, and in today's video we are doing this glittery, smoky, black goddess look. So I normally love doing this look. This used to be my go-to look, especially when I used to go out all the time clubbing. You know, back in the day. Not anymore, I'm too old for that. Anyway, I used to love wearing this look, well, not similar, but using a smoky black makeup look just to go out. I decided to recreate that today because why not? It's such a gorgeous look. I use the Stila glitter shadows. This one is in Molten Midnight. It is absolutely gorgeous. Like I love these Stila glitter shadows. On the inner corner, I use Diamond Dust, which is a lighter shade of the Stila shadows that I have. Freaking gorgeous. They stay on, they go opaque, they're just, ugh, I love them. The eyeshadow palette itself, I'm actually using an oldie but an OG, guys. I'm using, and you can tell because she's like all fucked up, in the Tartelette palette, the first original one. Look at these shades. Oh my god, look at these shades. I love it for a smoky eye, especially this dark black. It is so opaque and just so, oh, look at that. Look at that. Freaking love it. It is the best basic nude eyeshadow palette out there, hands down. I'm saying it. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment down below. Hit that subscribe button. Come on, guys. Come on. Love your girl. Give your girl some love. If you guys want to see how I recreated this look, or created this look, then keep on watching. Okay, so I already have one eye done, so we are going to do the other eye. I am feeling this look really feeling this look. So let's get started. I'm gonna go in with the shade Dreamer, and we are going to pretty much outline my eye. I'm not being too precise with it. I'm just setting this down as the transition shade for the rest of the shadows to be placed over top. Kind of go back and forth a lot with blending, adding more color, blending again. Now I'm going to take a more denser brush, and I'm going in with the first deeper shade in Multitasker, and I'm going to focus that on the outer V, and I'm dabbing at this point. And then I'm going to move with the same brush, not adding any more color into my crease. Going back to the outer V, dabbing more, and then moving it into the crease. The same brush, we're going to go into the next deeper shade, which is a Bombshell. And when I'm applying this, I am just dabbing it onto my brush, kicking off the excess. I'm going to start again on the outer corner, and I'm going to just dab it or tap it onto my lid. And the reason why I do this is because it distributes most of the color when I dab it. And then I'm just going to take it and pull it into my crease like I did with the other shade. I'm actually going to take the first brush I used. I'm not adding any more color, and I'm going to blend it as well, just so my crease doesn't have harsh lines. And I'm just doing circular motions, windshield wiper motions, and back and forth. For some reason I just got such anxiety, I don't know why. Like I just got nervous for some reason. Normally with this shade I would do foundation after my eyeshadow, but if you trust in yourself with the black, you want to be high risk, you want to live on the edge, then you can do your eyeshadow after your foundation. Now I'm going in with the blackest shade, which is one of my favorite black shades of all times, period. So I'm going in, again, to the outer corner of my eyes and just dabbing. I'm bringing it out a little bit, not too much. See how it's not too much smoky on the outer. I'm bringing it out just a little bit so I'm able to blend. If you can see, my hand is holding the end of the brush so I can get a lighter distribution of the color. If you want a more of a dense look, you would have it more up so towards the brush, but I'm just holding it at the end because I want a lighter application for this portion. Kind of blended it into the middle of my eye. And again, we are going to windshield wiper and blend in the crease. Kind of want to make it a little bit deeper on the outer corner of this eye. I'm now going in with the Molten Midnight Stila. I love these Stila glitters. And we are going to put this on the rest of my eyelid, minus my inner corner. And I'm just going up halfway. I'm not going all the way up to my crease, and I'm not going all the way to the end of my eye. I'm kind of sticking in the middle. And then I'm using my finger, and then I'm going to blend out and distribute the glitter. It doesn't hurt to go back in and add more color. We're gonna blend this out. Make sure this is what you like. I'm gonna go back in because there are some spots that I do want to add more glitter. And notice I'm just dabbing. I don't want it to be too opaque. I don't know why my stomach is growling. She acting like I haven't ate today. Bitch, I ate today. I ate. Trust, I ate. I'm now going to go in with another Stila glitter. This is in Diamond Dust. I am using this in my inner corner. So I'm going in and I'm just going to apply this to my inner corner, like so. Love it. I'm going to take the rest of the color that is on the brush and I'm going to buff out my lower lash line. I'm going to make sure I connect it to the outer V up top so that everything kind of flows well together. I'm going to go in with the Rimmel. These are my favorite liners, and I'm just going to line my lower lash line. Mascara, I'm going in with the NARS Climax, I believe this is. Yeah, mascara. I haven't used this one in a while. So I'm just going to go in, coat my lashes. Get those set up. And I'm going to apply false lashes on the side and I'll be right back. If you guys could hear anything before, it's my AC. I totally forgot to mention that. My AC's on. It's muggy and hot out here. So after I apply the lashes, I'm going to let it dry before I actually stick them together. I'm going back in with the Stila Molten Midnight glitter, and I'm going to apply more because why not? God, this glitter is so beautiful. This is the only way I like to use this glitter, this shade. I mean, you can use it any other way, but I love doing a smoky dark black eye with that shade. Oh my god, it's so pretty. So I'm gonna go in again and I'm gonna do my lower lash line on the side. Okay, so I'm gonna go in because I'm not liking the inner corners, and I'm gonna take this black liner and I'm gonna go in and just fill in this right here. Just so it connects better. I feel like that looks a little bit better for me. I already have my lipstick on. The lipstick I'm wearing is an oldie. It's the Amar Matte Liquid Lipsticks from Milani, and this one's in the shade Stunning. I'm actually using that with the brown liner right here. And I think it's the Carucci and ColourPop collab, and it's a K-E, I guess I'm saying that right. It's K-A-E. This combination is like one of my perfect nudes. It's definitely a perfect nude shade. So that is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and my talk through of how I normally do my eyeshadows. I say this all the time, I am not a professional, but bitch, this is good. Hopefully you guys have learned some tips or tricks from me. I really like this eyeshadow. I'm loving it with this sleek black wig. This is a new wig, guys. Look how long she is. She's long. Kind of giving me Kim K Cher vibes with this wig. Uh-oh. Her name might be Kimmy. I'm feeling it. Don't forget to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and comment down below. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.